Seamless Gutters for Less is your trusted local partner for professional gutter installation in Bonney Lake, Washington. Our expert team specializes in providing top-quality gutter solutions to protect your home from water damage. With years of experience and a commitment to excellence, we ensure every installation is performed with precision and care. As a locally owned and operated company, we take pride in serving our community with the best materials and exceptional service. Our seamless gutters are designed to blend perfectly with your home's exterior while offering maximum durability. Say goodbye to leaks and clogs and hello to a maintenance-free solution that lasts. But don't just take our word for it. With over 240 reviews on Google, all 5-star rated, our customers speak for us. That's why we offer competitive pricing and a satisfaction guarantee on all our services. Ready to protect your home and enhance its curb appeal? Contact us today for a free estimate and discover the difference our seamless gutter solutions can make.